to Franco Science Experiments. So today's experiment will be instant worms. So we need a spoon, we need green arginate solution, and we need calcium chloride, and we need half water. And now, first we need to take a scoop of calcium chloride. Mix it until it's completely dissolved. And now squeeze the green solution. Yeah, I actually did worm eggs when I'm supposed to do worms. Now I need to wait for all those little guys to soak up. Now we can pull them up. Yeah, this is not really a nice guy here. Well, we got our worm, and now let's take out our egg. Egg. Yeah. Oh, look at this. Worm eggs. Worm solution eggs. Whoa. Look at these. So these worms are so infected. Do not squish them or they will pop. The rest of these guys. Yeah. Come out and play. Eggs. Oh my goodness. There are still more a mussel egg. Look at those. Now all I need to do is try and pour it in my hand. Try and pour all this. Look. Oopsie. So these were all the eggs